YouTube, it's your girl Ching, and I'm back again with another style for y'all, crochet hairstyle. This is the braid pattern that I'll be using for these crochet braids. I do have a video already up on how to do the basic crochet braid pattern. Y'all, today from Diva Tress, I'm going to be using the Bae Locs like so. Yeah, they're really cute. So yeah, they're really cute. They're 12 inches. And yeah, we are about to hop straight in this, y'all. It looks like each pack comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Each pack comes with 12 locks. So I believe they sent me 6 packs, and I believe I'm going to focus these specific ones like this around a certain area, like one section worth. Maybe the bang or something, I don't know. I haven't figured yet, but I'm going to set these ones aside and I'm going to place those last. Yeah. So this is the PM2/30. So I want y'all to know which Bae Locs this is. PM2/30 is the color, and that's when you get the accent thread locks like this one, okay? So let's jump straight in. Okay guys, so now I'm about to show you how to do it. You're going to place your needle through, okay, like so. You loop the hair around it. Now you got to close the needle, pull it through, guys. Now, since they're so big, you can use your fingers. Go in between the hole. Grab that piece of hair. Okay? And pull it through. Okay? Like so, guys. Got it? Okay, y'all, we are down to the last 3 packages. And I gotta make sure I'm not gonna run out. I think I've decided to place all of the decorative ones like right here on these 2 braids. Or probably on these 3 braids. These 2. Yeah, these 3 braids right here in the middle. So those are gonna be all of the decorative ones because I'm probably gonna be wearing it to the side. I'm gonna put my last one here. Okay, y'all, so this is how the Bae Locs look. I will probably even wear some in the top up, like so. Feel me? I'll probably wear it up in the top like this. Get a couple twists popping right here or something, like, you know. Maybe 2 little knots. I don't know. I'll probably do a few little things with these. But for right now, I'm gonna wear them to the side like so, like this. Cause I like them like that. Y'all, I'm about to slay my edges and then I will be right back to show y'all the finishing look. So guys, this is the finished look. Slay them little baby hairs, y'all.
Y'all, it's your girl Chingaling and I'm back again. Y'all already know I'm featuring these new waist snatchers we got. Check them out, check them out. I'm gonna show y'all a couple workout scenes as well. But y'all, we have the new purple passion waist snatcher. Y'all see it's like a metallic purple color. We have the golden net waist snatcher. Okay, if y'all want to get snatched, why y'all ain't got this shit? I don't understand. We have a new waist snatcher, y'all. It actually zips up. It's a lot easier for you. We carry these snatchers up to 6X, so it don't matter what size you are. We also gonna have extra small for those chicks out there who's tiny but they want an extra curve. Last but not least, y'all, we got the pinky sweat set. Okay, if you want to sweat, I got this for y'all. It actually zips up. It's just like a sports bra, nice and cute, perfect, pink, girly, you feel me? And then we have the pants to go with it, y'all. This actually zips up as well to accentuate that shape that you're trying to get. And yes, you will sweat in this. So if you're trying to sweat, this is for you. Make sure y'all go check out the website. I don't know what you're waiting for. Everything is $20 off right now. $20 off. So go get it. Make sure y'all check it out. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram, okay? Get snatched. You feel me? Get snatched.